to summarize this project in 3 words would be challenging, rewarding, and relief at the end of it.
Back in the fall of 2023, the highest sloped green roof were constructed on 1090 West Pender in the downtown Vancouver by using zinc materials. My name is Olya and I work as a technical consultant and a green roof architect at Zinco Canada. We're here right now in Vancouver in beautiful British Columbia, taking a look at some roofs. So working on this green roof in downtown Vancouver was a complicated task because it required a lot of coordination between the teams involved in this project. The construction of this roof involved 3 key players. It was Graham Construction, Flynn, and Holland landscapers.
It looks good?
Yeah.
You're happy with it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Definitely not the plain start. It's
Yeah.
a low maintenance system and that's absolutely true.
Okay.
But I'm happy with kind of as a booking. So you're saying that your last visit here was canceled?
Probably about 6 weeks ago for me. We were trying to get the irrigation just started up, but that pipe was frozen. So then we had to come back.
I think by the end of May, all this red incidence is going to be green or with bluish colors, like light blue and mostly green.
Okay.
So yeah, the roof will definitely have green, and by the end of summer, they will start to bloom. So it's going to be flowers.
Okay. But like around August time or more September?
There is 9 to 12 species, so they all start blooming in different times.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
So yeah.
That's pretty cool.
This was my first experience with Zinco, and it was very positive, very professional. Yeah, it was very rewarding, and Zinco's great teachers. We learned a lot about this system and green roofs and heights and slopes. My experience with green roofs is I've been a part of approximately half a dozen, and they're always a little different systems. Sometimes it's plugs or modules. It's very interesting. Something I knew nothing about before I got into landscaping is the craning aspect and the views and kind of what's happening above everyone's heads that we don't get to see.
Well, the unique part about my job role with Holland is that I get to be involved in the construction and the kit maintenance afterwards too. So I get to see the project from start to finish and then look after it as well, which I really like that. Often in construction you build something and then you walk away and you never see it again.
1090 West Pender was indeed a challenging project for our team. It has an absolutely unique type of a build-up, crafted and designed specifically for this type of green roof project. This project is one of a kind because it's a sloped green roof on an inverted assembly in the downtown of Vancouver. So the wind load on this roof is 3 times the weight of this green roof. So that's why we collaborated with talented engineers from Motus design. So they helped us to design the layout of the shear barriers and supportive system for the green roof. And also we found a solution for preventing the wind uplift on the corners of the roof. The fact that this roof is on an inverted assembly played a significant role when we worked with the design of the build-up of this roof. As a drainage board, we use our Fluoroset 75 to keep the green roof in place, and also the system of supportive braces to keep the shear force, preventing the wind uplift on the sides of the roof.
I think overall it went pretty well. We got it all up here. There were definitely some hiccups with getting the sedums in the elevator. It would have been nice if the crane was still around. That would have made things a lot easier. But we made it work without it. So.
How does it feel to complete the highest sloped green roof in North America?
It's pretty cool. Yeah. I also point out. I don't point to the building. I'm like, that's our roof. We did that.
We are thankful for this experience working with these amazing teams, for their collaboration, and really we couldn't be more proud of the result.